right here.
What?
See this two, what you call it? The nut. One here and one over right there, right?
Yeah.
Just pop one.
Okay, which one did you pop? The bottom one?
I popped the bottom one so I could just bring it up. Then just move this up.
The caliper, right?
Yeah. See? So you don't have to dangle the cords. Because if you dangle the cords, it's gonna be.
Then everything's gonna be.
You gotta pop that. You mess that up. Everything oil's gonna be dropping. Boy JR in the house. I'm about to help him change his brake pads only, so it's gonna be easy job. And this dude, I want him to drink his Modelo while we fixing his car.
In the nose, it smells like shit. In the throat, it just bubbles.
Man, I can't drink all that no more.
Why not?
Stop. You don't want me to die? If I start drinking again, I'll be having those pain. I don't want that pain no more. There's so much pain, man.
You always had the pain before?
No, it's my first time pain.
Oh, you just started receiving.
Yeah. They said it's what they call it? Genetic. So I don't wanna. Oh, I won't stop drinking. I'll die early. So I'd rather not waste time, you know. 'Cause it's tough. You almost waste the roller on the other side.
On the back?
Yeah, almost.
Almost.
You messed that up.
Was it? What do you call when I talked to you about it? Remember when we were at the gym?
Yeah.
It wasn't even there. Like you could see it, but it wasn't like.
Yeah, I told you it's like give him like a week or two. It's not even that week.
That's why I couldn't wait till Saturday.
Oh, Saturday's gonna scratch it. That's it.
It was already gonna scratch.
You're gonna replace the rotors. Pump this. Pump it up. Yeah, that's already up in there. So we're replacing pads of JR. Easy job. I hope he's freaking what you call that? This rotor is not too hot. It's a little hot, but it's not bad.
Bro, I just came from the highway.
I know. Oh, you take highway? Where'd you live now? I thought you were gonna move to Palatine.
No, St. Charles. I'm staying in St. Charles. I was gonna move to Palatine, but it's not worth it, bro.
Pop it a little higher. Yes,
It's like It's like 300 miles. 300 miles a week for driving just to Palatine. Maybe 375 a week.
Yeah, that's something though.
Fuck that.
It's just that that's it. No. That what you call it? Expensive to live there, don't they?
It's okay.
How much is the rent?
12.
1 bedroom?
Yeah.
Shit. It's like you're renting a 2 bedroom. Yo, we done with the brake pads up front, but while you're looking at it, I got the anesthetic, anti-seize lubricant. Put it on outside, so it won't hold on to the caliper. So you don't scratching it. I mean, you know, you don't waste no brakes because it's stuck in the caliper. You. Then now, make sure the pin is back. That's it. Not done.
Shit fucking went like smooth.
All right, that's it. So you make sure everything is just like that, okay? Before you put back the caliper, because if you don't do that, the caliper stuck to the brake and everything will hold on to the rotors, so you ruin the whole brake pads and the rotors. All right, bye, y'all. Let's put back the tires. We're done. Front and back, one side. Because burping is before you burp like maybe like 16, 17 times in a row inside 10 minutes. Instead of thinking you have a problem with the gastritis, no.
Is the front side okay now? Can I put the wheel on?
Yeah, you can. But I have the lock though.
As long as I just put it on. You feel like you're doing it. Why you laugh?
No, just laughing. Because some people be like, you're standing only.
What do I look like?
You look like a chubby boy.
A what?
A chubby boy. So we're helping boy JR, Bourbon Monkeys.
It's your boy JR.
I can offer him bourbon because he's still driving back home. And I mean I can offer him, but it's up to him how to drive home by himself because I don't drink no more. And I can't really drink anymore. So I offer him a Modelo. And that's Modelo that the one he bought last time.
I bought that?
Yeah, that's the Modelo. Nobody drink it, so it's precious. My brother, he's drinking it.
Franco doesn't drink?
Franco drink one maybe once a week. He doesn't, you know, he don't drink that much. He just drink with us sometimes. So actually we're finished with front and back on driver's side. You know, trying to help my brother save a lot of money.
Hell yeah.
And plus, I don't like people be doing crap, shitty works. Mostly when you're putting your life on it, you know. I just don't know how come they don't put a lot of greasy, anti-seize, grease, and everything.
Old school.
No, that's not old school. 'Cause they want you paying for everything too.
My life.
That's why it's stuck in, because there's no grease and no anti-seize.
My life and its money.
But you'll be alright though. You have your 401k and life insurance?
I have 401k and I have life insurance.
Okay, whoever gets that, that's good. He's still single. That's why, if you know somebody single out there, my boy Jerry here drive a sports car.
Sports car, I got 401k and I got life insurance. What up?
Looking for a lady. That's all he needs.
American citizen specifically.
Yeah. You could be dual, you could be Canadian citizen.
Yeah, you want a Canadian citizenship? I got you.
Mine, look at this guy. Don't clean underneath his car. Now I look like a monkey. I mean, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's all dirty underneath the carriage. So he doesn't clean it. Now we're on the other side. We're about to loosen up the tires now. So we gotta loosen up the tires to make before we pop it up. Jam? In reverse sila ba make it? No, we just have to change these brake pads. They used 4-wheel tira. Yeah. They don't use ceramics. Ginamit ang dike yun eh. The bed ones. Kaya ano lumakapit kong bits to. Dating kinaalis. Subaru ko.
This one's newer.
Yes, newer. 2017. 15 making the 14. Alright now it's loose. So we gotta pump it up right after we loosen up all the tires. What's that, Corey? Magalo ka na, boss? We might be, I might just want to watch here. Huh?
You going to the gym?
Yeah, he goes to the gym all day. Every day.
You play volleyball at the gym?
He works out in the morning, he play volleyball in the afternoon.
Are you playing a league or something?
Have fun.
Bunch of people, random people all the time? Oh. So it's in every like Tuesday thing or Monday? Tuesday. in every 2 days.
So we got all ties loose up.
He said he goes to the gym during the morning and then he goes play
Play
volleyball.
volleyball, basketball in the afternoon. Alright, everything is loose. Now we gotta pop the tires. Alright, y'all. Bye-bye. Keep pumping. Yeah, keep pumping. Keep pumping. 10 times.
More? I already did more than 10 times.
More. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Try it back up a little bit. How is it? You get tight? It's gonna get tight. Because it's gonna used to it. Don't you have an e-brake on earlier?
Me?
Earlier when you parked?
I think so, yeah.
Oh shit, I forgot to ask you to remove the e-brake. No, you gotta keep pumping. Is it tight now? It's getting there, right?
Yeah, but it's like loose still.
Keep pumping. Yeah. When you drive, you'll feel it.
No, stop sign.
No stop sign right there. Go, Sarah. Go back.
Back.
Go back. So I want you to hold that brake. Don't hold that. Leave the e-brake on alone. Then slow down quick. Slow down quick.
Not right away.
Yeah, just hold it, keep. I'm gonna pump it. You turn on rev road, we'll see again.
Huh?
How deep is it? Is it deep or no?
Half.
Half?
Yeah.
Oh, so go around here and make a left here.
Here? Here?
Yeah, make a left here. Forgot to ask you to take the e-brake off. But it's not gonna do difference, it's gonna be come back though anyway.
All the way?
Did you hear noise though? You feel a noise on your brake or no? You should
No.
feel a crack, I mean
No,
scratch.
I don't feel vibration.
Okay, no vibration means it's good, it's ceramic. It's just that it's gonna take time with that pumping because you had the e-brake on earlier.
I always put it on.
Yeah, when you're fixing up brakes.
I mean, it's responsive.
It's responsive. It's gonna be responsive.
It's just not
like tight.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try because I mean I'm not gonna drive, but I'm just gonna step on the brake later when we get home. Should have the lights right underneath here.
Oh, now it's getting tight.
It's gonna get tight.
It's getting tight.
Apparently. What is that thing? You got a hole on your.
Now it's tires.
Oh, loose. Stop kissing.
No, the CP. I know. Now you smell like Kiko, bro.
Stop kissing. She loves kissing people.
I know.
It's gonna come back. Actually, eventually it's gonna come back. It's just that I want to feel if there's a scratching
No,
or
no, scratching or vibration.
because it's ceramic. What about the earlier one, the old one?
Yeah, it was
Scratch?
when I press it hard. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not ceramic. It's what you call it? Forgetting that thing.
Which left is it again?
Do Wilwin. Not the next one after that one.
I don't come this way. Go the other way.
Yeah, go the other way.
As soon as they
Boy, JR is done. You take care, brother. Okay, his car is done. We did fix his brakes and check his freon for his car. So make sure next time we're gonna do the freon. So yo, thank you for watching. I'm sorry I didn't get too much of the video because I'm working. I'm putting a lot of work on that thing because my boy is gonna be using his car most of the time, and you know, you gotta make sure safety of a person while he's driving his car. So I gotta pay attention for fixing his car rather than, you know, taking videos. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.